All right, everyone, a quick look at XDC Network here. So I believe this is the first time we're covering this one. So we're going to keep it real simple here. A lot of things lately. There has been another uptrend here. Of course, it broke. It came back, it back tested it as resistance, and then just kind of fell off the table here. It did come down below the 786, which a lot of things did end up coming down to that final support level. And if I simply quickly draw this on here, you can see it did already come down below that 786 at about 2.8 here. But it is holding the trend line that I drew on the chart here. And I do have two lines, which one being this bottom here. If we draw a tiny fib from the low to the high, this is that bottom there. So just keep that in mind. As long as you're below that 786, you're trying to hold support. A very good looking candle here for a bottom. So as long as you're over 0.26 here, the bottom could potentially be in and you could move right back up. If at all you fall below 2.6, you're at 2.63 at the moment, and the price is really not doing anything. The momentum is clearly down right now, but we are holding off of that wick there. You can see you would drop about 15% all the way down to 2.2. So if this is not the bottom, look for this thing to drop that percent down to that 2.2 level. But like I've already said, good looking bottom candle here for a potential hold of that trend line, and we should start moving right back up. So let me bring that fib right back up on the chart. That way we can look at some prices to watch on XDC Network here. And the first price to get over is going to be, of course, that 2.8 level for about a 7% move, and then a move up to the macro 236, and that would be a move up of about 30%. But that would be your ultimate price to get over. The bottom is technically not in until we get back over the 236 at 3.4. So that's your first big price to get over to get that momentum going back up. And of course, macro wise, we are not bullish on XDC Network here until the price gets back over this 4.7 level here at the macro 382. So as long as you're below that, and as long as you're below the 236 here, these are the times to be buying in my opinion. If you're bullish on this project, nobody else wants to buy it right now, this is potentially the bottom being put in, that is the perfect time to be accumulating this coin here. Now, with all that being said, just keep an eye on those prices there. How high is this thing potentially going to go this cycle? Let me go ahead and bring this up. We'll go ahead and start with the high here. If this thing makes a new high in 2025 up to the 1272, you can see that's going to take you up to about 36 cents, up to a $5.3 billion market cap. That is by the current circulating supply, of course, and about a 13.5, almost a 14x on your investment if you think it's going to go that high. Now, if you want some targets to watch to take profit at, we do have the 786 here, a $1.8 billion market cap, up to about 12 pennies. So 12 pennies would be a good price. And you're looking at a 4.5x from where we are today on that potential bottom. And if it only does a 6.8 retracement, or if it comes up to this level, remember it could get stuck at any one of these levels here and come right back down. So 8 pennies would be a good price, guaranteed almost 3x out of your investment. Take some profit, and then let some more, let the rest ride, whatever, to see these higher prices get hit. So with all that being said, what are your thoughts on XDC Network here? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.